Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Justicia Sekar CNR from Applied Business Administration, State Politeknik of Semarang. Now I will explain to all of you general description about correlation, how to calculate the correlation, and the comparison if using SPSS. So keep on watching. What is correlation? Definition of correlation. Correlation is a statistical technique to find the relations between two or more variables that are quantitative. Types of correlation. The types of simple correlation. Correlation person product moment. Correlation rank Spearman. Pearson correlation formula with deviation and roof number. Deviation. Roof number. Interpretation criteria. 0, no correlation. Until 0.25 is very weak. Until 0.50 is sufficient. Until 0.75 is strong. Until 0.99 is very strong. 1 is perfect correlation. Direction of the correlation. Directional. If the value is positive, it means that if variable x have high value, so variable y also have high value. Unidirectional. If the value is negative, it means that if variable x have high value, so variable y have low value. The case that want to be tested is correlation between attention, relevant subjects, confidence, satisfaction with learning motivation. Open data respondent. To find attentions column is with formula average. Every respondent's data, then drag down the result. Just repeat in the same way to find relevant subject, confidence, satisfaction, and learning motivation. First, to find attention and learning motivation, click Attentions column, then type equal the data from datasheet with same name, then enter. Repeat in the same way to find learning motivation. To calculate the correlation, the step is click correlation, type equal correl, then block all attention column, put semicolon, then block all learning motivations column, then enter. To calculate person, the step is click person, type equal person, then block all attentions column, put semicolon, then block all learning motivations column, then enter. Repeat as the same way to calculate the correlation between relevant subject, confidence, satisfaction with learning motivation. Interpretation between attention and learning motivation. The intensity. The Pearson correlation value is 0.32. It means that two variables have sufficient correlation. Significant value is up from 0.05. It means that H0 is insignificant. Direction. The value is positive. It means that the correlation is directional. Interpretation between relevant subjects and learning motivation. The intensity. The Pearson correlation value is 0.29. It means that two variables have sufficient correlation. The significance value is up from 0.05. It means that H0 is insignificant. The value of the correlation is negative, so the correlation is unidirectional. Interpretation between confidence and learning motivation. The intensity. The Pearson correlation value is 0.51. It means that two variables have strong correlation. The significance value is up from 0.05. It means that H0 is insignificant. Direction. The value is positive. It means that the correlation is directional. Interpretation between satisfaction and learning motivation. The intensity. The Pearson correlation value is 0.23. It means that two variables have very weak correlation. Significance value is up from 0.05. It means that H0 is insignificant. Direction. The value of the correlation is positive. It means that the correlation is directional. Statistical package for the social science. Launched in 1968, officially known as IBM SPSS, is software for editing and analyzing data. Pearson Product Moment Correlation Test with SPSS. Criteria to make a decision. From 0.05, so insignificant. Below from 0.05, so significant. Pearson correlation value is 0.33, so the correlation is sufficient. Pearson correlation value is 0.29, so the correlation is sufficient. The Pearson correlation value is 0.51. It means that the correlation is strong. Pearson correlation value is 0.23. It means that the correlation very weak. Implication for business. Scientific research for business. Customer database. To set marketing strategy. Conclusion. Correlation Pearson product moment. Correlation used for continuous data and discrete data. Pearson correlates are suitable for parametric statistics when the data is large and has parameters such as the mean and standard deviation population. Hey, how was my video? Hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.
Menurut saya videonya bagus dan menarik, jadi tidak bosan untuk ditonton. Selain itu, bahasa yang digunakan juga mudah dimengerti dan penjelasannya juga cukup jelas. Terima kasih.
Videonya sudah jelas, sudah disertai dengan animasi-animasi yang menarik sehingga membuat penonton tidak bosan. Dan penjelasannya juga sudah membuat saya memahami apa itu korelasi dan software yang digunakan untuk mencarinya. Terima kasih.
영화나 볼래 줘줘 Oh yeah 너만